This is BBC's Global News World Service, the latest news 7 days a week. Right now, there's a zombie apocalypse happening in China, and everyone, young, old, rich, and poor, they don't do anything. They don't talk, they don't walk, they don't study, but they do only one thing. They've been acting on an app called TikTok, and they believe they can become the next Kim Kardashians and Kanye West, and they be delusionized, and their actings are way beyond drama kings and drama queens. In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to say drama kings and drama queens in Chinese. You know, in Western cultures, you depict those people, basically the characters from Gossip Girls, right, as drama queens or drama kings. In Chinese, we have a very close term to depict those people. They are 戏精. So 戏 is like a drama, play, plot, and 精 is like a fairy, spirit. So basically, he's the king, the queen of the drama. Yeah, perfect in English, drama kings. In Chinese, 戏精. Those people, they are so bored. Their life is so tedious. They need a bit of drama to light up their life. So that's the reason they've been acting all the time. In Western cultures, you may think that they have a very negative connotation, right? Talking, he's a drama king. This girl is a drama queen. Sometimes you even use the word attention whore to depict them, right? But in China, 戏精 is an internet word, meaning that it's very trendy and really doesn't have that negative connotation to sabotage the other people. So it's like a very neutralized word. Sometimes when we're at work, right? When we're eating together, right? When we're hanging out together, gathering together, sometimes some people may be acting at that time. So it's just acting to entertain people, not to create dramas. So the purpose of those people acting on these TikToks, on those apps, is just to make sure that people are entertained. They don't trying to be the drama king and drama queens. Now I'll give you the example of the real 戏精, the drama king.
But they call themselves the resistance. You ever see these signs? Resist, resist.
Huh? Go ahead, Mom. F me. F me right here in the bed spot. You want to f your son so bad? Go on, Mom. F me. F me. Well, then could we at least pull up here and get some dinner? Because I like to be wined and dined after I've been
something like, I am a god. Everybody says, who does he think he is? I just told you who I thought I was. A god. I just told you. That's who I think I am.
So this is a real example of the drama kings. And this is a lingo, yes. If you like our program, please subscribe to our YouTube channels. I'm Jeremy, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.